Good afternoon. Firstly, I'd like to appreciate the opportunity given to present these results this afternoon. As known from prior research, ART has been linked with weight gain in women. However, during pregnancy, it appears to vary depending on the regimen. For example, DTG seems to have milder effects on maternal weight compared to inadequate weight gain associated with efavirenz. And despite these observations, maternal ART on infant growth is still not fully understood. The study was a secondary data analysis involving 67 infants born to mothers who were enrolled in the advanced trial, of which 45 were exposed to Dolutegravir and 22 to efavirenz. And the sampling method we used a total population sampling, ensuring that all infants that were born in the trial were included in the analysis. And the primary objective of the study was to evaluate the impact of maternal ART on the infant growth, as well as looking at other factors that could be associated with the infant infant growth. And to achieve this, we conducted a longitudinal analysis utilizing conditional linear mixed effects models, allowing for us to account for individual variability and repeated measurements over time. At birth, both groups showed similar mean weights, and also they were plotted around the 50th percentile on the intergrowth 21st standards. For length, most infants, about 2/3 were plotted outside the gestational, the length for gestational age. But over time, both groups showed positive growth. However, for efavirenz exposed infants, they showed a little bit of greater variability compared to Dolutegravir in both weight and length. Factors associated, we found cesarean delivery to be negatively associated with weight for AIGHD scores, while maternal BMI and term delivery positively associated with it. Again, term deliveries were positively associated with weight for length as scores, while maternal age was negatively associated with it. And in conclusion, although exposure to ART did not show association with growth results in this analysis, maternal factors did have significant association with infant growth, and further exploration could disentangle these associations with larger sample sizes. Thank you.